Married with 3 beautiful kids.
职业女性也是一个家庭主妇。
Marketing executive.
Just finished my diploma.
As a full-time content creator.
Mom of 2 daughters.
I know you're pursuing alternative medicine.
A dentist, a commercial talent, and a host.
Suri rumah sepenuh masa.
A rope artist.
It's difficult.
To be a nurturer, but also to be a soldier.
多功能。
Be pretty.
Makhluk Tuhan yang unik.
Empowering to be a woman.
年轻的时候培养孩子咯。
You're able to adapt to changes.
Busy being a mom.
Be in touch with
Your vulnerability and power,
but at the same time compassionate.
I like to paint.
When it comes to fashion, we are spoiled for choices.
Of course, I like to be pampered.
You know, being my true self, basically.
Fun lah, fun. What makes me happy is dressing up.
The joy in life is being a woman.
You know, like girls' night, girls' day. That's the best part about being a woman.
Seeing how I can stay strong and grow despite all these challenges.
Just walk alone without being afraid.
交多一点朋友，环游世界，吃喝玩乐。
Women can say no, they take it as a solid answer. Like there's no why.
Can do anything in this world. Nothing is impossible.
Given the same opportunities to be upper management,
Can achieve feeling secure in just being who we are.
Kita nak berjaya. Orang kata macam lelaki boleh buat, kita pun boleh buat.
Be able to get on public transport without the fear of getting harassed by others.
You shouldn't let what other people tell you you should do and shouldn't do.
财务自由。
Everybody has that autonomy for themselves. One must have in life.
Perfume, of course. I can't go out without my perfume.
SpongeBob spend time with my family.
Hair is like a lion. I would need an hair iron to help me tame it down. So this is my go-to.
It's my hair tie. You'll see all my pictures, there is a hair tie. This is like my emotional support. Hyaluronic acid. I only have this much left. Very good to my skin and I swear by it.
a hand cream because we gotta keep that ashy skin away.
My water bottle. It also acts like a security blanket for me.
ta-da! Such a statement, whether subtle or bold, it always leaves an impression and it's so glamorous.
Can't live without my phone. It makes me feel safer and it makes me feel I'm in my zone.
Happy International Women's Day to all women out there. Be happy and be you.